All right, folks, this is sharpening the battle axe. We're just gonna roll right through it. So, remember we have the squeeze, I got moving, we got impact, and I've got my target acquired. So, starting with the squeeze. All those muscles that turn in, I'm going to drive through my big toe, squeeze my legs together, squeeze the back of my legs, squeeze my butt, squeeze my hands in, squeeze down. That's 3 5-second squeezes to the inside, and we're going 3 5-second squeezes to the outside. Drive the outside of my foot, outside my legs, my butt, big chest, pull that belly button in, squeeze those elbows down. Good, okay. Then we're gonna move. Big breaths. Scrub my skin. Okay, skin scrubbed. Now we're gonna hit our joints. Elbows. Squeeze that wrist. Give it a twist. Fingers, and we're gonna rotate. Hips. This is always the most fun one. And we're gonna tip over to the front, touch your toes, hands back here, tip it back. And down the side. And keep breathing. Good. Oh, get those hips individually quick. Knees, grab your ankle, back up so you can see, give it a little twist. I got my really high impact training shoes on. There we go, cool, got my joints. Now we're moving into the impact part. So, I'm gonna pretend this is my door frame. It's a little wider than a normal door frame, so it'll be easier for you likely. My hands on the door frame, drop down, drive it in as hard as I can. Good. Then we have our rotational side. Put the hand on the side of the doorway, get my feet split, drive the hip in. Take those breaths. Center up. I'm going to be the leader that my family and my business needs me to be today. I'm going to be diligent, industrious, get everything done so that I can live the life that I want to live with my right? Something like that. Okay, that's our sharpening the battle axe, our little 5-minute sequence to light everything up. Boy, I tell you what, I'm ready to rock right now. Coming out swinging, man. All right, thank you again. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got something, got some useful pieces out of that.